Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to design Facebook ad creatives in Canva step by step in 2026 so your ads look professional, scroll stopping, and optimized for conversions. Facebook users scroll fast, so if your ad doesn't grab attention in the first second, it's gone. That's why design clarity matters more than fancy visuals. Start by opening Canva and choosing the correct ad size. For most campaigns, square or vertical formats work best because they take up more screen space on mobile. This instantly gives your ad better visibility. Now focus on the background. Keep it clean and simple. Use solid colors, gradients, or lightly blurred images so your message stands out clearly. Busy backgrounds usually hurt ad performance. Next comes the main visual or subject. This could be a product image, a person, or a strong visual element that represents your offer. Make it large and easy to understand at a glance. Avoid tiny details that disappear on small screens. Text should be minimal and bold. One clear headline is enough. Focus on a benefit or outcome, not explanations. Use high contrast colors so the text is readable even on low quality displays. Add a clear call to action visually. Words like shop now, learn more, or get started help guide users toward clicking. Don't overcrowd the design. Clarity always wins. Consistency is also important. Use the same fonts, colors, and style across all your ads so people start recognizing your brand. Canva's Brand Kit feature helps with this a lot. Before exporting, zoom out and preview your ad as if you're scrolling on your phone. If the message is instantly clear, you're on the right track. Download the creative as a high-quality PNG ready for Facebook Ads Manager. And that's how to design Facebook ad creatives in Canva, step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you create better ads, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva and marketing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.